right, so anyways, we are on step 2. So I'm going to split my screen. You already did step 1. What we need to do is calculate the expected value for each entry. Okay, the formula is here. It says multiply each row total by each column total, and then divide by the overall total. So in my examples, multiplied 48 right here in this first box. We're multiplying 48 times 4. Put those in parentheses because we want to make sure that those happen first. And then you divide by the total, which is 67. Your numbers are obviously going to be different, okay? But that's the way I have it. So if you have 0 times something divided by whatever, your answer is going to be 0. Okay, so here's how I got this. I had this, I have data here, and I can actually copy and paste this table. Let's copy and paste it somewhere else so that I have an original table. You don't have to do that. You can if you want to. So we're going to pretend like this is a calculator, right? This is my first box here. So I'm going to put equal sign. My row total, which is 48 times, which is the asterisk button. So that is the Control 8 or Shift 8, I should say, times my row total, which is 4, right here, see? Divided by my total sample, which is 67. So I'm going to put a divide by 67. When I click enter, I'm going to get a number with a whole bunch of numbers here, right? That's totally fine. We actually would rather it be that way because then when we use these numbers for other stuff, it's going to be more accurate. Okay. Yes, correct. I had done that here just because I was doing this on a Word document instead of Excel, but it makes it a lot more accurate when you have all those numbers after the decimal. So I'm going to do that one more time for you, okay? This is a different column. So I'm going to multiply my column times my row. Oh, yeah, and I guess you really should copy and paste, get rid of these. Let's delete. Okay, cool. Because otherwise, yeah, we're going to leave that there. So, yeah. Right, because watch this. When I click this, it says sum B2 times B6. As soon as I change those, then my sum is going to change. I don't want my sums to change. So what I did was I just deleted those formulas from the box, and I'm just going to transfer the number over. So I'm going to write 47, 4, 2, 6. That way they don't change anymore because now they're not a formula. The ones above, unless you didn't put a formula there, they will change as soon as you change any of these numbers in the box. So 48, 15, 4, okay? I'm recording this too, so you can always go back. But I'm going to do one more example before my time runs out. Okay, so equal sign always first. So we're going to put a parentheses. We're going to multiply 15 times 4. Yep. So 15 times 4. I'm going to divide that by my total, 67. Click equals. I'm just going to go through and do that same formula for all of those, okay? Equals 4 times, because that's my total down here, 4 times 4